Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing the Kitabe box. I had ordered for the mystery box. Even you can order it in the website kitabe.com. It cost me 999 rupees plus delivery charges 100 rupees. These are supposed to be second-hand books. Let us see how the conditions of the books are. There should be 10 books in the box. Let us check whether 10 books are there or not. As it is a mystery box, even I don't know what books they have sent. I am very curious and excited. The packaging is pretty good and was delivered within 1 week of ordering. Very good packaging, I must tell. I am actually impressed. I will remove the box and I will show you how it looks. Wow, it's too good. I'll show you the box. It is indeed neatly packed. This is the first time ever I have ordered in Kitabe. I think I'll be going it for again. I like the fact that it was delivered on time. Now let me open the box and show you the books. There they are. They have also given the bookmarks and there are 10 books too. The books look lovely. The books are in very good condition, I must say. I looked for all these books in Amazon. Most of them have 4.5 stars. I am really happy that I invested in this. Now let us look at the bookmarks. This is a good quote by Stephen King. Good books don't give up all their secrets at once. The deer here is too cute. This is another cute bookmark. This is one more. When in doubt, go to the library. It's so perfect. Now let us look at the books now. Dean Koontz is a very well-known author. This book, The Bad Place, has got 4.5 rating on Amazon. This book is regarding a man who is caught in a never-ending nightmare. Sounds interesting, isn't it? There are huge praises of this book on Amazon. This book, The Flood, is written by Ian Rankin, who is a Scottish writer. This book too has got 4.5 ratings on Amazon. This is the #1 bestseller. The next book is Gallows View, A Dedicated Man by Peter Robinson, who is a Canadian crime writer. This book has got 3.8 rating in Goodreads and 3.9 rating in audible.com. In this novel, a dedicated man has been brutally killed. Definitely have to read it to know more. The next book is Victoria Hislop's The Thread. This book too has got 4.5 rating on Amazon. Victoria Hislop is the best-selling author of The Island and The Return. The Sunday Times has reviewed it as sweeping, magnificently detailed and ambitious. The next book is Kathy Kelly's Homecoming. This is the Sunday Times #1 paperback bestseller. This book is about 4 women, 4 lives and 1 place they call home. Kathy Kelly is an Irish former journalist and a writer of women's fiction since 1997. The next book is Kim Edwards' The Lake of Dreams. She is an American author. Her best-selling book is The Memory Keeper's Daughter. This book is the Sunday Times best-selling novel. This book is full of secrets. Another gripping novel. The next book is The Wish List by Jane Costello. This book has got 4.5 stars rating on Amazon. Cosmopolitan says that if you like Sophie Kinsella, you will love Jane Costello. This book is full of fun and laughter. Can't wait to read it. The next book is The Rose of Sebastopol by Catherine McMahon. The author is a historical novelist. This book too has got 4 stars rating on Amazon. This is a historical fiction and the characters will make you really believe. The next book is Donna Douglas, A Nightingale Christmas Wish. And this book has got 5 stars rating on Amazon. Actually, this is a series. Prime Magazine quotes that if you like Call the Midwife, you will love this warm-hearted tale. And now the last book is The Secrets Between Us by Louis Douglas. This is another engrossing thriller. This book too has got 4.5 stars rating on Amazon. This book is a romantic murder mystery. I am really happy that all the books were in good condition. They were not torn. They don't look like second hand and definitely was cost effective. I highly recommend Kitabe for all the book lovers. So guys, I really feel that this video was helpful to you in some way. If you too feel this way, then please consider subscribing to my channel, like it and please share the video. Thank you.